So let me get that kind of like set up here. Okay. Okay, good. Yep, RSLS is right here. Okay, so now bringing up Stock Market Chameleon again. Yeah, let's see if there's any new suspects. Edit. Alf is moving. I already had that up. Alf is getting close to breaking Friday's high. So that would be a very strong breakout moment. Be watching Alf. Alf, you might have to even get in pre-market depending on how it goes right now. Already the breakout was at 19 and it's at 20.58. Next breakout, 2075. Or let's see, is that recalculating? Check, it's recalculating every second. It is for $3.50 of risk on Alf. All right. Yeah, so we got Edit Up and we got MRIN. And I pulled up Regeneron, but Regeneron isn't up a whole heck of a lot. But it's Reg N if you want to watch it. Body. NTLA, yep, I have that right here. Kyle. Second box on my screen. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Make sure you click the link in my bio. And Space is up a little bit this morning. We have swing trade in that. We took some profits on Friday. It's up even more. It's going to go for an all-time high breakout today if it keeps this up. All-time high being 62.8. MRIN, yeah, it's been breaking upward all morning. How long have we been on Space? Since $4. That was the bottom pivot reversal on very high volume. And so we got in at $24. Some people got in at 25, 26, 27, depending on when they got in. And, now it's 57. Very good one. We're also in Workhorse, and that's grinding up. We're looking okay on that. And Wish, very similar. Got out of Bark, and we're in a couple of others. And I alerted to be in XOM, XOM, Exxon Mobil. Again. But we're not in that yet. In other words, you got to get in it this morning. Emma's in that. She got a fill this morning. Good job. She got a fill for 1%, or did you go 0.5% and you're going to wait for your other half? Watching the market chameleon. You're seeing Thinkorswim mostly, and then TradingView over here, and then I've got Binance on the other side. You need to click the link in my bio if you want to come see the whole thing. That's fine, Emma. Yep, nothing wrong with that. Alf. So this is the suspects that we have on screen are pretty much looking like the good ones. SoFi has a lot of activity, but it's down. ITRM. Let me pull that up. Might not want to miss that. That one could be quite active. Right. Another thing we're working on this week is the charts are going to flash, or they're going to change color or something, the background, whenever we have entrants. So that will allow me to pull up more prospects. We'll be able to monitor more prospects without my brain frying. No, I don't do Forex trading. It's too slow. A little too slow. I swing trade stocks and day trade the stock market, and then we swing trade / invest crypto, and then also invest in stocks. So, but not really Forex. Mark asks, do I trade options or shares? I trade both. And, we have a whole system for trading options. But I prefer that you get shares, and we have a system for that called the 1% rule. Just send me a private message on TikTok if you'd like a link to my video lessons. Then you can learn about the 1% rule. So indicators I'm using are basically the moving averages. That's it. In price action, we use pivot point trading method. Randy, I'm still in Foot Locker since last year, the bottom of the market, March 24. Yeah, I love Foot Locker. Foot Locker, Dillard's, Kohl's, been in a lot of those, up 250 to 400% depending. Alf, stop 1717. No, yeah, you could say that, but no, it's really 1717. We now have this, Troy, on my charts. Pretty cool. I know it's probably hard for you to see, but you could zoom up to Alf, which is in the right here. I'm highlighting it. And then that red number at the bottom is the stop, and the white number at the top is the current breakout point, and the risk is right in the middle, $3.40 of risk should it break out. I don't know, Arun, about whether or not I recommend getting into ExxonMobil pre-market right now. Maybe half now and half during the market in case it goes down more, so you can get a better cost average. But I don't think I don't know. Hello, Keegan. Yeah, we're on Wish. Hey, everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio if you'd like to trade with us this morning. Weird. I've got a strange calculation in my market open. Is that correct? Okay. We have the incorrect time showing there for. All right, but yeah, 17 minutes to the market open. We'll be trading the markets live. Make sure you click the link in my bio in order to come and trade with us live. That's when the TikTok and the YouTube stream will be over. Once you get into the trading group, you'll just need to pick up a free 7-day pass. I'm listening to any of the sounds on my system and myself in the headset. How many swing trades are healthy for a $30,000 account? Asks Siraj. Well, you'll find using the 1% rule. Siraj, have you learned the 1% rule? Have you taken the market mastery classes yet? you'll find using the 1% rule that sometimes even one swing trade might fill up your entire account. But 10, 20, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. It just depends. Thank you, Troy. I'm going to refresh the Market Chameleon now with 16 minutes left to go before the opening bell. Made a mistake and went long, peaking that through the low, and now. Okay, when you sit on your money, you're wasting your money. Money could be making you money every day. What's the main focus for this market? It's a reflationary market, economic reflationary market. So mostly that's typically commodities, industrials, financials, so banks, base materials, and energy. Did I say energy? No. Yes, energy. Your ladder up video, you didn't use the 1% rule. Is this an exception? No. The ladder up technique, that's for high frequency trading, which you got to have a good setup for that. And I can help you set that up, or we can consult about that. That's, different technique, but similar, right? Similar. You can see little elements of some of our techniques in each strategy. Thing with high frequency trading is it's like bursts. It's like it's really fast. You're in out. It can be very fast, when it goes against you. Just rotating in trades all day. Whereas like the day swinging strategy with the 1% rule, which makes it perfect. MRIN just broke out. MRIN 554, 53 cents of risk. Stop is at 5. MRIN just breaking out. So is Edit. Edit just broke out. 285 of risk. Watching Viacom also and BNGO. ExxonMobil is acting as leader in its sector, and I feel like Chevron CVX is lagging behind but will follow. So Chevron has a very similar wave, let's call it oscillation. However, its price levels are not at the same points. You can think of it as like when you drop a stone in the water. We're getting the same wave pattern on both, but one was a pebble, and ExxonMobil was like a rock. So, but I think Chevron will probably follow as well. So, with regards to our ExxonMobil trade, if that's true, then you can, if Chevron, for example, breaks out new all-time high this week, then you can grab Chevron. All right, so we got Nutella or whatever it's called. It's called Intelia, something like that. I'm gonna call it Nutella. And then we got Marin software and RSLS and AVXL and ABUS and ALF, Edit, and MRIN. It seems to be running. It's the one that just broke out. Also, Edit just broke out again. So the risk on Edit is $2.85, and effectively we're in that at the moment, or we're waiting for the market to open. Well, I'm going to pull up my used stock trade. I can do my small account challenge with you guys. And I worked out over the weekend, I worked out some of the stacking stuff, pyramiding. I'm still gotta dive even deeper. It's very interesting, but so long as you're getting 2R, so long as you've hit 2R, then instead of rebuying, you can add on. So you can sort of snowball or pyramid your position, so you can get twice the gains. Some of you might not even have enough money sometimes in your account to do that, but be it known, that's the point after 2R, in which if you add on, okay, you give up, you do accelerate your losses back to being break even on the first add-on. So you have to be aware of that if you're in the profitable zone and you decide to do an add-on, which is snowball your position, that you're now, if you were to stop out at the new stop point, you would now break even, not be profitable. But then the third add-on, you would be up 1% should you break even. But the cool thing is that you would be adding more shares, so that if we go up, you're going to get more profit. So when you're taking your profits, you're going to make more. So it actually works out. And double checking that there's not a surprise IPO going to hit us today. No IPOs on Monday. Check YouTube, see if anybody's. James Hessel joined your training classes, but don't know how to join the live stream. Okay, yeah, good question. Let me get you a link. Krispy Kreme IPO. When is it, Kyle? Not today. On Thursday. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be the big one this week, huh? I think that's a good one, because I think people are only getting fatter. So there's my thesis. That's my entire thesis. People are only getting fatter. Like, remember that movie WALL-E? Everyone's eating donuts and drinking soda, and they're floating around because they can't even walk anymore because they're so fat. Invest in sugar. Yeah. More demand. I think the problem with sugar is it grows like a fucking weed. So it's really hard to have a supply demand shock, whereas corn is slower. Cane grows fast. So, that's just one of those things with commodities that you have to be aware of. Commodities trading. But if you want to trade sugar, if you want to invest in sugar as a play, BNGO is about to break out. 35 cents of risk on BNGO. That's a nice little risk unit. BNGO breakout's 8.1 and 35 cents of risk if it breaks. Yeah, MMAT, it's up 95%. Yeah, that would be. I don't know why it's not coming up on my my system. I'm not getting enough days of data. It's like a newly introduced stock or something. Could have been through a SPAC. I'm not sure. So I'm not getting any prior price history on it. Let me check on TradingView. Oh, that's Torchlight? Okay, there we go. That's Torchlight. So Torchlight became MMAT. That's cool. Yeah, that doesn't look good. There's nothing good to trade there. They're not up 95%. They're down 5%. Because they did a split, your system's fucked up and thinking it went up 100%. Doubled. It didn't double. It split. So it's the same. It's basically the same. Didn't change, and it's down 5%. Yep. Yeah, there's some logical things you have to see sometimes and figure out. Sucks. 7 minutes to the open. Everybody on TikTok, how you doing? Make sure you click the link in my bio. to come join my trading community. In 7 minutes, this TikTok will be over, and we'll be live trading in my trading community. All you got to do is click the link in my bio, come into the trading community, pick up a 7-day free pass, and then you're in. Just click the link in my bio. Mark Gabriele. Awesome. Okay. Are you in the Zoom? Mark Gabriele, are you in here in the Zoom? Welcome, man. So proud of you and happy to have you here. Very nice, Vanessa, to say. Welcome to Mark. Welcome, Mark. So anyway, with these next 5 minutes, let me pull up my UStockTrade account. By the way, if anybody doesn't have $25,000 to have a pattern day trading account, but you have, let's say, more than 1,000, we're using UStockTrade, which is a way you can trade the markets. Oh, damn, I've got mobile authorization I have to do. And I'm not going to be able to get in because I needed to do that before I started my TikTok stream. Well, I'll be able to do that in a minute here when the TikTok is open and closed in 5 minutes. All right, this TikTok will be closing down in 5 minutes. And we'll be live trading in my trading community. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come to the trading community. You have to click my profile image. And that brings up a pop-up at the bottom, and then click my profile image again. Yeah, no, there's nothing good going on with M, Matt. That's a mistake in your Weeble. Yeah, we're looking at those. Correct, Craig. Thanks. Well, Joey, it all depends on risk. You need to learn the 1% rule, Joey. Elon's birthday today. All right, we got 3 minutes and 55 seconds to the market open. Some of you might already be in MRIN and edit, but otherwise, if you're waiting for the open, yeah, we'll be seeing how that turns out. Happy birthday, Elon Musk. Yes. Are you in XLF, Christina, swing trade? Because I am too, and it's doing absolutely fantastic. I wouldn't get out of that. Yeah, we were supposed to get out I don't know, a week ago. I think I did. I want to be back in, but I'm not. I gotta wait. If you're still in, yeah, you're in a good spot. Mike, that's one way to do it. Yeah, that's one way to do it. You can high frequency trade with Thinkorswim directly, but it's even better with Dash Trader, and then or other systems like Silver. What's it called? Silver. I forget. Silver Trader, I think it's called. They're all based on the same thing. All right, we got 2 minutes and 30 seconds to the market open. We've got a nice smorgasbord in front of us. If anything hot comes to your attention, starts breaking out or running, let me know. I've got 4 open slots here on the right of the screen to monitor things. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do a quick sweep on the big caps and make sure that there's nothing big cap wise up a whole heck of a lot. Regeneron with 3.3%. Base 4%. CRISPR up 11%, the gene editor. CRSP. CRISPR up 11%. Okay, we'll be watching that. Looking for a breakout at 165 on CRISPR. Gene editing is the hot place to be today. A Beam. Beam is another one. Let's take a look. All right, we got 1 minute and 30 seconds to the open, and we've got every prospect up. Nothing going on ENTX. Other stuff. Edit. There it is. All right. I'm almost down to the 1 billion mark. 29% on AVXL. We got that up. Okay, we're ready to go. All right, 1 minute to the market open. If you're over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join us. We're going to turn off the TikTok in 1 minute here so I can focus, and the YouTube. And we'll be trading live in my trading community. You can still get into ExxonMobil for the swing trade. Right, 20 seconds to the open. Right, what do we have breaking out? SPY is dropping at the open. So is Tech, QQQ, and so is the Dow Industrials. So we're getting a pullback market wide. The Zoom link is over in the VIP chat, Jimmy. Over in the VIP chat, or Zoom links is the name of the channel. All right, see you in a second, Jimmy. All right. All right, I think we're getting that breakout on MRIN. RIN. What is going on in my system? I can't get the high frequency setup up. Real-time data. There we go. Okay, yeah, MRIN was entrance. What on earth? Is that true? It opened on a gap up? No. Something wrong with my I'm going to have to reboot my DOS Trader. Something wrong with DOS Trader this morning. BNGO, yep, that's entrance over there. That was for 27 cents of risk. Now it's about 40 cents of risk. If I can get this to, nope, still some money going on over there. MRIN. There, that's better. BNGO. And how about edit? I'm sure edit's hot. Nope, dropping. Okay, fine. ALF, guys. ALF, like, whoa, holy Toledo. Yeah, the breakout on ALF was 20.8. It's already at 22.5. Your risk is to 19.18. So that's about $3 right now. On just like roughly math for you. Okay, we're back to 2088 already. 2061 on ALF. If you didn't already get in, you're in great shape. If you did, yikes, what a pullback. ALF, the stop is currently 1918. MRIN, the stop is about to be hit. I think the stop just hit. And the stop was 5.3, but you could hold it all the way down to 5 technically. Depends, especially if you got in pre-market, your stop is 5. Looks like Alf wants to crap out. Watch out. 19. 19 is your stop on Alf. JKS Solar broke out. JKS is looking like it's going to run today. JKS. Where's the risk level on that? Okay, the risk level is there. It's just not showing for some reason. Oh, there it's now. It's showing. Okay. So it's about $2 a risk on JKS. JKS breaking out and running. Neo, okay. Space I didn't pull up, but man, is it going wild? It's going to break all-time high, isn't it? Let's see. Oh, okay, no, Space is pulling back. Okay, that's fine. Don't tell me to pull something up that's not happening. All right, Neo. Neo, yes, it's breaking out. If you want to get in on Neo, the stop is 45.50, so the risk is just about $1. Viacom breaking out. Viacom. That's about $1 of risk on Viacom. And Alf is turning back up now. Viacom's running. Neo is running. JKS Solar is running. The others are going sideways. ITRM is starting to make its way up. ITRM. Neo still running. Neo, new high. New high on Neo. Baidu, okay, give me one sec. All right. Baidu. Yep, Baidu breaking out, and that looks good. ExxonMobil pulling back hard. That's excellent. So if anybody hasn't gotten their position yet on ExxonMobil, let's just let it bleed all day. You get a better entry. UAMY breakout. I got to put that somewhere. The sun don't shine. UAMY. Here we go. Where the sun ain't shining. No, there's not enough volume on that stock. Fuck that stock. Stay away from that. Made some quick money on Amazon already? Okay. If you're in Amazon, you should still be in it. Upside if you're in calls. And then there goes MRIN. Who's in MRIN? That's the breakout on MRIN. Tesla breaking out. You've got $10 of risk entry on Tesla to the upside. Breakout. Tesla. $10 of risk on Tesla. And Neo making another new high. I think body was too low volume. I looked at it earlier. Let me see. Too low volume. MRIN pushing up to the 0.85 level, 5.8 right now. Remember to take 5 to 20% profits just under 6 key psychological levels. There goes Tesla. Anybody get that Tesla for $10 of risk? And NEO continuing to run. NEO and JKS Solar. ITRM is about halfway to the breakout. You pulling back a little bit. Edu's not on a whole heck of a lot of volume. Viacom now pushing up. Who got Viacom? MRIN working its way back up. ALF pulling back pretty hard at the moment. Are we swinging Viacom? I think we are, right? I don't know. You can check over in the alerts. I can't remember everything.